and girls, and welcome to our craft for day 4 of Roar Vacation Bible School. We're so glad that you joined us. So remember, what is the lesson point that we learned for today while you guys were watching? Maybe you watched live, maybe you watched later, maybe you'll watch it after you watch the craft video. Whatever works is perfect. But do you remember what it is? It's when life is sad, God is good, okay? So when I say, when life is sad, you say, God is good. That's right. All right, let's try it one more time. When life is sad, God is good. That's awesome. You guys are learning so fast. So today, for day 4 of Vacation Bible School, we are going to be making a fun lion mask. Because maybe you guys remember, we have our friend Zion the lion who has been teaching us about how even when life gets sad, God is still good. So we're going to be making a mask today so we can look just like Zion and remember that even though life sometimes gets sad, God is still good. Alright guys, are you ready to make our craft for today? So today we're going to be making a lion mask like I just showed you. So the supplies you need for today are a paper plate. You're going to need orange and yellow cardstock, and I have cut these into about an inch wide by 4 inches tall, but you can cut them however you want. This is your lion. You can make it how you want it to look. And then I also have a glue gun. This is hot, so make sure you use your parents' help if you're going to use a hot glue gun, or you can use a glue stick, bottle glue, anything works. You just need something to stick the pieces of paper onto the plate. So that's the big thing. So what we're going to start out doing first is we're going to take our paper plate and we're going to cut the center circle out. So what I recommend is I'm going to fold my paper plate in half and take my scissors, and my paper plate has a nice line to help me see where the center is. And so I'm going to use that to cut the center out. Alright, so now I have a circle cut out at the middle of my piece of plate. And this is important because this is how you're going to see your beautiful face through the plate so that you can have your own lion mask. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my colored pieces of paper to alternate around the ring to create a mane. So I'll show you guys. It's really simple. Just going to put a little bit of glue on my plate. There it goes. A little bit of glue. Add my piece of paper. Let that dry a little bit. And there you go. There is my first one. And what I would recommend is make your pieces of paper come all the way to where you cut the paper out so you don't see any white. Because lions, they have a little white on them, but they're mostly orange and yellow. So those are the colors we want to use. So follow along as I add the rest of the piece of paper to the mane. Creating my lion mane. And what I want to do is I want to see you guys' creations. I want you to hold them up and take a picture, and we want to see those. So get your mom and dad's help. Send them to us either on Facebook or Instagram. Tag us. You can use the hashtag MPARoarVBS to share your posts with us too, because we definitely want to see how awesome your lion masks look. Don't forget, when life gets sad, God is good. Have a great day.